Hello student, hope you are fine. Today we are going to start exercise 4.4 in which we will discuss all the questions. We will start with question number 1. Here is the question number 1. Draw a rough sketch of triangle ABC which we have already drawn here. Mark a point P in its interior. Interior means inside the triangle boundary. And a point Q in its exterior means outside. Is the point A in its exterior or in its interior? Here you can see in the figure we have drawn a point P in the interior of triangle ABC and Q in the exterior of triangle ABC. And now we will talk about the point A. Is it in interior or exterior of the triangle? Its point A lies on the triangle ABC. It lies neither in the interior nor in exterior. So we have done question number 1. Now second question is part A. Identify 3 triangles in the figure. You can see the figure. A large triangle ABC with a median, or you can call an altitude from vertex A to line segment BC. Now you have to name 3 triangles in this figure. First triangle is ABD. You can see now you are naming it. You can see ABD. This is the triangle. Similarly, ACB and ADC are the 3 triangles in the given figure. Now write the names of 7 angles. Angles are BAC. First angles I am taking BAC. Here you can point BAC, which means they are talking about this triangle. They are talking about this triangle. Second angle is angle BAD. BAD, which they are talking about this half angle. BAD. Angle CAD, similarly ADB, angle ADC, angle ABC and ACB, which you can point out in figure. Here are the 7 angles in the given figure. Now C part, write the names of 6 lines segments. Line segments, you already know that line segments are the part of line which have 2 endpoints, which ends at the 2 points. Like you can see in the figure AB, this point A and this B is a line segment. Similarly, BD, DC, CA, AD are the line segments of this figure, which we have named here. AB line segment, AC line segment, BC line segment, AD line segment, BD and DC. So you know that line segment in symbolic form is written like this. Now D part, which 2 triangles have angle B as a common? You can see in the figure angle B. This is angle B and this is in triangle ABC and triangle ABD, which means angle B is common in triangle ABC and triangle ABD. ABC and triangle ABD, angle B is a common angle. Like we have finished our exercise 4.4. Now we will start our exercise 4.5, page number 82 in your NCERT. Which have question number 1. Draw a rough sketch of a quadrilateral PQRS, which we have drawn here. PQRS. Draw its diagonals. Diagonals are for this figure are PR and QS. You can also name it RP or SQ. Okay, name them. We have already named them. Is the meeting point of the diagonals in the interior or exterior of the quadrilateral? What you have to answer, the meeting point means intersection point of these diagonals is in the interior or exterior. You can see the meeting point is O of the diagonals, diagonal QS, diagonal PR, and their meeting point is O, which is in the interior of the quadrilateral. You can see here PR and QS are the diagonals. They meet at the point O, which is in the interior of the quadrilateral. Now we'll discuss about circle, parts of circle. Here is a question number 2 of exercise 4.5. Draw a rough sketch of a quadrilateral KLMN. State. Here is the figure. We have drawn it. Now part A. Two pairs of opposite sides. Opposite sides means KL. Sides are the line segments, so we will denote like this. KL, KL, and opposite is NM. You can also name it LK or MN. It is your wish how to name the line segment. And the opposite side, first pair is this and second pair is KN. Line segment KN and line segment ML. You can also name it NK or LN. It's your wish to name in your way. There's two pairs of opposite sides of this figure. Now two pairs of opposite angles. Opposite angles are KLM and KNM. KLM and KNM. These are the opposite angles of this figure, pair of opposite angle. And angle LKN, angle LMN are the opposite pair of the angles. Now C part, two pairs of adjacent sides, KL, KN are one pair. You can see here two pairs of adjacent side means, you know, adjacent means which are exactly in the side of the side. Okay, KL you can see जो जैसे KL है ये KL के बिल्कुल जो साइड में इसका एडजेसेंट होगा, KL के बिल्कुल साइड में KN भी है तो ये भी इसका एडजेसेंट है. तो आप देख सकते हैं KL लाइन सेगमेंट KL एंड लाइन सेगमेंट KN. KL and line segment KN are adjacent, and line segment NM and line segment ML are adjacent, or KL and LM are adjacent, or NM and NM and NK are adjacent. These two also are adjacent. Now D part, two pairs of adjacent angles. As sides are adjacent means they are joined with the vertex. Here also you can see NM, line segment NM has two adjacent sides in same as angle. You can see angle K is adjacent to angle L, and angle K is also adjacent to angle N. So here are two pairs, angle K, angle L, angle L, angle K, angle L, angle K, angle N. Okay, and here we have written angle K, angle L are two pairs of one pair of adjacent angles. Angle L, angle M, angle N is one pair of adjacent angles, or angle K, angle L, another pair of adjacent angles. Angle L, angle M. Here is angle L and angle M. These are another pair of adjacent angles. Now we will discuss parts of circles which will help us to do our exercise 4.6. Here is a circle. What is circle? A circle is a simple closed curve and it is not a polygon. Polygon नहीं होता है ये. A polygon होता क्या है? Which we have already discussed कि polygon is a closed figure which is made up of line segments, and you can see circle is not made up of line segment, it is made up of arc. Diameter is double the value of the radius. These are the important points for circle. So, and in square or in polygons you have heard about perimeter. In case of circle, this is called circumference. You can see the definition. Circumference, it is the distance around the circle. Every circle has an infinite number of possible diameter and radius. It means जो diameter और radius होते हैं circle के, they are in infinite. ठीक है. Now we will discuss the different points of circle. You can see here we have drawn a figure circle in which we have located different points of the circle. First point we will discuss is O. O is the center of circle. Center of circle. And now second point, line segment OA. You can see here line segment OA. OA, line segment OA and line segment OC, line segment OB are the radii of circle. Radius is for single one and the radii is जब हमारे पास बहुत सारे रेडियस हों, क्योंकि रेडियस हमारे पास सर्कल में इन्फिनाइट होते हैं, सो दिस रेडियाई वर्ड इज प्लूरल, radius is singular. Now line segment AC is our diameter. I'm just locating here AC, but you can have infinite number of diameters. I'm just giving you a hint by locating one. AC is a line segment which is the diameter of this circle. ED is chord. You can see here ED is chord. This line is called line segment ED is chord. We will denote like this bar. Interior points are O and P. Interior points are O and P. You can see inside the circles are called interior points. Now Q is the exterior point. Exterior means outside of the circle. So Q is exterior point of the circle. AOB is sector. Now what is sector? This area AOB which is shaded or lined is called sector. This is called sector of the circle AOB. You can draw many like BOC which I have not shaded, but you can also say BOC is also a sector. But now we will just discuss the part. So I am just giving you an example of every part, one example of every part. Now ED is segment. ED segment. What ED is in the form of line segment, it is called chord. But if we are talking about this area, shaded area, this is called sector. Okay, ED is segment. Shaded region of this arc and line segment, inside the arc and line segment is called segment. Now diameter is the longest chord. You know that this diameter, we have talked about ED is a chord. This is small. Now we another line segment will draw here, that will also called chord. And the largest chord of the circle is always a diameter. Now we have already discussed all the points, important points of circle. Now you can complete your exercise 4.6 according to this figure. And after that I'll share some notes for according to exercises with you. Jai Hind.